Alright, I want to thank today's video sponsor by Epic Water Filters. These companies are USA based. They are based in Colorado, USA made, so quality products, quality brand. They make filtration systems for your sinks. They also have pitchers, and they also have water bottles. So these things are great if you want to drink some clean, fresh water and not drink that nasty, yucky tap water. Go down to the link below and use code BMSmothers for 15% off.
Actually, we're gonna really go on a motorcycle ride. Twin mop out.
What's up, y'all? Me and the wife are going for a little cruise. Actually, on my way to my dad's to go pick up my TST Taillight. Yep, that's right. We got a new part coming for it. Coming for the ZX6R. I'm looking forward to it because right now I do not have blinkers in the back. So I need it. Also, I ordered a new part last night for the bike, a very cheap part, but it's going to be effective off Amazonian. It's coming in this Sunday, so be on the lookout for a video on that. And yeah, like I said, right now we are on my way to my dad's to go get my tail light. Just because.
Oh, okay.
Also, I want to say he got me the relay as well, so we don't have a fast freaking blinker. But I'm looking forward to having this taillight. It looks good on the 500. So I imagine it's going to look good on the ZX636. Look at that! Got a nice R1. Also, I tightened up the dampening up front so the suspension's not so bouncy. It was a little too bouncy for my liking. All right, shield down. Let's do it.
pretty stoked about getting his tail light. It's gonna change up the whole look of the rear like it did on the 500. And like I said, I won't be riding without turn signals anymore. So it is the sequential programmable tail light. So we're definitely looking forward to this new product that we're gonna be putting on this bike.
Up, you guys, we are about to be doing an install video on the TST taillight for the ZX. I've been really wanting to do this, get rid of the red back there, and show you guys what we got. So I'm gonna open up the box. Boom, first things first, we have the relay. So this is the anti-flasher relay. So that's going to be a quick little install. That's pretty simple. Obviously we take this and our relay is right down there. So just got to fish it up. Boom, plug it in. When it comes to our tail light, see what we got here. We have, boom, clear boy. Definitely gonna make or break it. So this is programmable and sequential. It's got the little button, so shout out TST. So should be pretty simple though. It's looking like just 2 screws right here and a couple plugs, and pretty simple. All right, so the hardest part of all this is getting in here. Look in there. That's the plug we got unplugged. So that's our main harness for the headlight. And then our turn signals are in this guy right here. So pretty straightforward install, to be honest. So now I just got to get a little pick and get in there to get the headlight out, or plug out. All right, y'all. So we got OEM taillight out. Gonna put the new one in. So it's pretty straightforward. Literally, we're just gonna pop it right into place. Put the grommets over the thing. So give me a minute and we're gonna shove this thing in here. All right, so after a little bit of fighting, we ended up getting it. So I ended up taking off the bolts for the fairings right here, and then this top piece right here. Gave the plastic a little more flexibility. So we do got taillight in. Now it's time to plug her up and test it out. All right, so we're gonna play a guessing game with the turn signals. They might be color coded, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Got our servo buddy right here, and we got our turn signals right in here. So we got a black one and a gray one. Not sure what goes to what. Let me see if I can see wire colors. No. So we're gonna play a guessing game. We're just gonna go gray to green. Black to green, brown to gray, and hope for the best. Shove these in there out of the way. And then...
I'm talking about this, Dad.
I'm recording. Huh? Yeah, that's fine. And then we're going to have to reach all the way down to the main plug, which hopefully this reaches. that's gonna be a wrap for the TST taillight install. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks good. Got the clear buoy on. Definitely changed up the look of the bike. And yeah, stay tuned. We have another part arriving for the bike tomorrow. It's gonna change the whole look of the bike. So I'm pretty geeked. I like how I'm personalizing this bike. I feel like it's my bike now. I feel good about it. Feel good riding it. I like the way it looks. It's coming together. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.